In this topic, we will talk about flagella. Flagella is a structure that helps bacteria move. In other words, it plays a role in locomotion. The question is, are all bacteria motile? The answer to that question is no. The bacteria that have flagella are motile, and the ones that do not have flagella are non-motile. There are different flagellar arrangements found in bacteria. The first one is called monotrichous. Mono is for one, trichous is for hair. In this flagellar arrangement, there is one flagellum on one side of the bacterium. The second arrangement is amphitrichous. Amphi is for both and trichous is for hair. In this arrangement, you find flagella on either side. So you might find only one flagella on either side, or there could be a bunch of flagella, but it has to be on both the sides or both the ends. Lophotrichous is where you have a bunch of flagella on one end of the bacterium. So a bunch or cluster of hair on one end of the bacterium. Peri is for all over. In this arrangement, you find flagella all over the body of the bacterium. Flagella is made up of proteins, and flagellar proteins known as H antigens are used to differentiate between some bacteria within the same species. For example, you can distinguish between the normal E. coli and E. coli 015787 based on the flagellar protein. So E. coli can be distinguished from the pathogenic E. coli, which is E. coli 015787. And this is the bacterium that mostly causes diarrhea, usually when you consume contaminated food and water. So let's look at these two images and try to identify the flagellar arrangements. So in the first image, you see right here, you have the bacteria, and then you have flagella all over the body of the flagella, all over the body of the microorganism. So this arrangement is called peritrichous. And in the second image, you see there is flagella on either end. So this arrangement is amphitrichous. So I think the key thing to remember is not all bacteria are motile, and this is also an important characteristic that you can use to differentiate between bacteria that are motile from bacteria that are non-motile. And the flagellar proteins also play an important role in distinguishing bacteria. So we'll stop here with the flagella topic.